In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to beautify tables in Microsoft Excel. Making your tables look clean and visually appealing is not just about design, it also helps improve readability and makes your data easier to understand at a glance. A well-formatted table looks more professional and is much easier to work with, especially when dealing with large amounts of information. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and select the range of cells that contains your data. Make sure you include all rows and columns you want to format. Once the data is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. This is where most of the formatting tools are located. In the Home tab, look for the Format as Table option and click it. You will see a variety of table styles to choose from. Select a style that matches the look you want. As soon as you apply it, Excel will automatically format your data into a structured table with consistent colors, borders, and header formatting. This instantly improves the appearance of your data. After applying the table style, you can further customize it. Make sure your header row is clearly visible and easy to read. You can adjust the font style, size, or color from the Home tab to make the headers stand out. Clear headers help users understand the data without confusion. You can also adjust column widths and row heights to ensure that all content fits properly. Simply drag the column borders to resize them. Proper spacing prevents text from looking cramped and keeps your table neat and organized. Another way to beautify your table is by aligning your data properly. Numbers usually look best when aligned to the right, while text is easier to read when aligned to the left or center. Consistent alignment improves the overall balance of your table. If you want to add emphasis, you can use cell shading or borders sparingly. Highlight important rows or totals with subtle colors so they stand out without overwhelming the table. Avoid using too many colors, as simplicity often looks more professional. Once you are satisfied with the layout and formatting, review the table by scrolling through it to ensure everything looks clean and consistent. A well-designed table not only looks better, but also makes your work more effective and easier to present. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.